Oh, Jesus! Welcome back, guys. Today, we're breaking into a safe, at least attempting to. First, we're gonna try the one we've done most on this channel.
Next, we're gonna try the one that we've talked about but have yet to use, the big guy.
And if that doesn't work, two big guys at the same time.
So let's see if we can break into this safe right here and see what's inside it.
We decided that the back side of the safe is actually the weakest part. I mean, this thing is, it's a rock. We're gonna put it between this 1/4-inch plate and this and see what happens. All right, so putting it underneath. Right dead center. This is stupid. This is really stupid. All right, it's ready to rock.
We're gonna go with the safe here to see if we can bust in with the first small charge.
This is really stupid.
It's extremely stupid. We have no idea what's gonna happen.
3, 2, 1. Ooh. 3, 2, 1.
You've done this.
That's our attempt number 1.
Did it move it?
It did. It popped it up in the air. It totally moved it. Look at this. Ooh, we broke something off of the safe. We did. All right, so we got this piece, a little plastic piece, but there is some shrapnel over here.
I'm gonna flip it over. All right, check it out. Ready?
Ooh, look at that.
I haven't seen it yet, so let's see.
We put a dent in it.
Oh man, okay.
All right, look at that.
I'm very surprised by that, actually. Let's see if we can crack the sucker with a 50. The big guy, the one we've never used on this channel.
We've never used a 50, so we're gonna try it right now.
We're gonna put this one right here. See if we can get the safe to blow back.
This guy's more than 2 times powerful than the other one.
Yeah. It's about 110 pounds, 120 pounds, so it's a legit safe. At least I'm here with you in case this thing blows. We're here together.
This thing always scares me.
He's got it.
I hate explosives.
But I love them.
Explosives are dangerous.
Duh.
Justin's gonna put that thing down there. And that's perfect, Justin. All right, let's try it out. Our first 50 of the channel, and Justin's doing it. I think he's a little bit more afraid of these explosives than I am. Oh God, here it goes. Oh, Jesus.
You've done this.
It blew it up. Holy, oh my gosh. That's a 50 for you. Oh, we got in.
We got in the safe.
We got in.
Holy
That's
man.
awesome. Okay, guys, we blew
Look at that.
the door off from the back side of it. I did not think we were getting into this thing, but you know what it did? We did have something in there. Here it is. It is mangled. You guys remembered what it did or what it looked like before.
Look at the power of that.
This was the helmet from our How High Can It Go episode, and it completely obliterated. This was inside the safe. I wanted to keep this. Our video.
Look at that, guys. Oh my gosh.
This was inside the safe.
Look at that.
I wanted to keep this.
It only took 150,
That's
guys.
so dumb. So, I guess that's it for this one.
We had no idea. This is the first time you've witnessed that firework, and you see how powerful that thing is. It just demolished that safe. It's gone. Hope you guys enjoyed that. I did. That was probably the best explosion I think I've seen. We blew up the safe, as you can see right there.
Just a second ago.
Just a second ago, and we had a great idea.
We're gonna fill it full of sand.
Yeah.
And just see how cool the explosion looks.
Yeah.
And those cops aren't here for us, I swear.
Yeah, I hope not. If not, here's nice, guys. See ya. So yeah, here we go. Let's fill it up with sand and see what happens.
All right, cool. To fill it a little bit full of sand, put a firework, stand on top of it, watch it go.
We can bury it in a little bit. Yep, buried it after between the two cookies on it.
There's the sand, firework down in there. It should be pretty cool.
All right, we got the sand in there, charge in there, getting ready to blow it.
1, 2, 3.
Wow, that was it. Nice and muffled, but it was raining sand.
There we go. 1, 2, 3. No. That's kind of cool.
Nice smoking, yeah. And it actually busted the safe a little more.
Oh,
Look at that.
wow.
It split it in half. Pretty good.
That's pretty cool. It shot sand everywhere.
And it's still smoking, and yeah. Well, that was surprising. did not expect that to happen with the 150. That shocked both of us.
Yeah.
But
I thought we were going to use 2, and I really wanted to. So we're going to have to find something else.
pretty big explosion there. Biggest on the channel so far.
Yeah.
Hope you guys liked that. If you haven't already, subscribe. Make sure to ring the bell so you guys get notified on what we have coming up.
We got a video every Friday.
Every Friday, guys. Comment down below on
What we can use 250s on.
yeah, what we can use 250s on, what you liked about this video, what you didn't like about the video.
Yeah.
Just let us know.
Tell your friends about us.
And we'll catch you next time.
All right, thanks.
See you guys.
Holy crap. I'm going to get a little bit further back. All right, Justin, run quick.
But you can run backwards.
I want to. I want to run forward.